Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel, A Step Towards Education by Isha Kainat. हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदा वर पैदा. A great man is the one who serves humanity. Quaid-e-Azam is also one of them. Quaid-e-Azam is our great leader. He is the founder of Pakistan. He was born in Karachi on 25th December 1876. His real name was Muhammad Ali. His father was a prosperous Muslim merchant. He received his early education at Sindh Madrasa and later at Mission School, Karachi. His father wanted him to acquire business experience, but he decided to become a barrister. He studied at Bombay University and at Lincoln's Inn, London. He became the youngest barrister of India. He married at the age of 16 years. He left India and went to London, but both his mother and wife died when he was there. When he was in England, he observed that many people from India became slaves and were treated poorly. He realized that there is a difference of treatment between the rulers and the ruled. He started his political life as Dadabhai Naoroji's personal secretary. Quaid-e-Azam joined Indian National Congress in 1896. In his early career, Jinnah supported the British because he thought that they would grant Indians political freedom. In 1913, he joined Muslim League without leaving Congress. In 1916, he became the president of Muslim League and began to work for Hindu-Muslim unity. Jinnah married again with a woman named Ratanbai Petit in 1918. His religion was Parsi, which was different from Jinnah's. When Ratanbai turned 18, converted to Islam and changed her name to Maryam. In 1919, Quaid-e-Azam and Ratanbai had a daughter named Dina. The Lucknow Pact was a brighter chapter in the dark and gloomy time of Indian politics. Lucknow Pact created a political homogeneity between the two nations, and Quaid-e-Azam was conferred with the proud title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity. Jinnah changed his thinking and dressing at IMP, changed his belief about the Hindus, started working for Muslims only, accepted Pakistan as the only solution. He wanted to work for the freedom of his country. He joined the Indian National Congress and worked for Hindu-Muslim unity. He left the Congress soon and joined the Muslim League. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the voice of 100 million people and Muslims out for their religious, social and economic freedom. He worked day and night to get a separate homeland for the Muslims. After his long struggle, Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947. He became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He was the man of principles and laws. He was a true Muslim and Pakistani. He was the man of deed, not of words. He died on 11 September 1948. He is buried in Karachi. Every year, thousands of people visit the Mazar-e-Quaid and read Fateh and greet them. He will always live in the hearts of people, and Pakistanis are always thankful to him. Here I will tell you some truths about Jinnah. Jinnah was an honest politician, an extremely intelligent lawyer, a great leader, a hard-working and honest human being, a man with a vision and a peace-loving. आखिर में मैं अपने मुल्क के बच्चों को quaid-e-Azam का पैगाम शेर की सूरत में देना चाहती हूँ. quaid-e-Azam का पैगाम. हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के. आइए मैं इसका लायक सुनाती हूँ.
हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के। इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। बरसों के बाद फिर उड़े परचम हिलाल के। इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के। इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। देखो कहीं उजड़े न हमारा ये बगीचा। इसको लहू से अपने शहीदों ने सींचा। इसको बचाना जान मुसीबत में डाल के। इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के। इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। दुनिया के सियासत के अजब रंग है न्यारे। चलना है मगर तुमको तो कुरान के सहारे। देखो कदम उठाना जरा देख भाल के। इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के। इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। तुम राह तो आराम के झूले में न झूलो। कांटों पे है चलना तुम्हें